Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit columns border in Apple number sheet. Open your Apple number sheet and click on this number sheet. I will edit these two columns border and drag your mouse, select your columns, drag your mouse, this column serial number and select. You can see this way. And two columns selected. Now click on the format option and cell option. Here we will find this border option. There are many kinds of border. This is outside border option. This is inside border. This is all border. I'll click all border and select here. I'll only select solid border and see this. Also this is border color. This one and see this. You can increase and decrease border weight. See this. Also I'll add border this column. They are showing no border. I'll choose all border and select here in border. Choose solid border and border color. I'll do this color and increase and see this. This border is type. You can add 3BT, red and green and see this. Also you can add only inner border and see this, and inner border color I will change and see this, and this one and see this inner border change. Also you can change this vertical border, horizontal border, and this is top border, bottom border. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.